Welcome to the beating heart of America's innovation, the factory. These colossal buildings are more than just walls of steel and concrete. They are the engines that power our economy, create millions of jobs, and shape the products we use every single day. Did you know the United States has over 250,000 factories, employing more than 12 million Americans? What's your favorite factory-made product? Comment below. Factories are also about teamwork. Humans and machines work side by side, blending skill, precision, and technology to create goods that fuel our daily lives. Not all factories are created equal. Let's explore some of the major types in the US first. Automotive factories. America's love affair with cars is legendary. Factories like Ford and Tesla assemble thousands of vehicles a day, combining robotics and human expertise. Next are food factories, from Hershey's chocolate to meat processing plants. These factories ensure we're fed safely and efficiently. Then we have tech factories. Semiconductor plants like Intel's fabs are where the chips powering your smartphones and laptops are born. And finally, steel and heavy industry. Steel factories make the beams that hold up skyscrapers and bridges, shaping the very skyline of America. Which type of factory fascinates you most? Cars, chocolate, tech, or steel? Share in the comments. Every factory has a story of innovation, hard work, and progress. Modern factories are marvels of efficiency. Automated systems, robotics, and artificial intelligence have transformed production lines. Machines now handle repetitive tasks with pinpoint accuracy, while humans oversee quality control, maintenance, and problem solving. For instance, in an automotive plant, a car frame moves along the line. Robots weld panels in milliseconds, paint is applied with precision, and humans inspect every detail. If you love seeing machines in action, hit that like button now. Safety is also key. Factories invest heavily in protective equipment, emergency protocols, and training programs. Behind every product is a team committed to keeping workers safe while meeting production goals. Technology doesn't just improve efficiency, it also reduces waste, saves energy, and allows factories to adapt to changing demands faster than ever. Factories wouldn't exist without people. From the assembly line workers to the engineers designing robots, every role is essential. I've been working here for 10 years. It's hard work, but seeing a product go from raw material to finished item is incredibly rewarding. Many US factories offer training programs, apprenticeships, and career growth opportunities. Manufacturing isn't just about machines, it's about building skills, communities, and futures. Factories also impact their communities, providing jobs, supporting local businesses, and investing in education. Do you know someone who works in a factory? Give them a shout out in the comments below. While American factories are powerful engines, they face challenges. Global competition, supply chain disruptions, and rising energy costs test efficiency and profitability. Yet innovation continues. Factories are investing in green technology, renewable energy, and automation to stay competitive. 3D printing, AI, and IoT systems are reshaping production faster than ever. The factories of tomorrow will be smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable, but still human-centered. If you could design the factory of the future, what would it look like? Comment your ideas below. Factories are more than workplaces, they are pillars of the American economy. Every product made supports industries, creates jobs, and powers innovation. From local communities to global markets, factories drive progress. When you use a product, think about the journey it took. Every bolt, every wire, every chocolate bar was crafted with skill, care, and teamwork inside these incredible facilities. Factories show us the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. They remind us that progress is built, not given. Thanks for joining us inside American factories. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love innovation and industry. Next time, we'll take you inside America's most advanced tech factories where chips, AI, and robotics are shaping the future. Don't miss it.